When it comes to trading and investing, different people have different goals and strategies. That's why at 5paisa, we offer a range of trading tools and platforms designed for everyone. Whether you are a newbie expecting a seamless digital experience, a regular trader wanting lightning-fast order placements, or a seasoned trader looking to execute complex strategies, we've got you covered. Customize your watch list and stay updated with real-time ticker. Discipline your investment with our stock SIP feature starting at just ₹50. Access live market updates on sector performance, indices, FII, DII flow, advances and declines, market movers, and the latest news. Access 250 plus data points, including fundamentals, technicals for each stock. 5paisa TradeStation is designed to offer a rich, smooth, and easy-to-navigate trading experience. It also provides all your trading reports, including profit and loss statements, tax reports, transaction reports, and portfolios. TradeStation platform brings the app experience to the big screen. But if you are specifically into derivatives trading, then we have something special for you. FNO 360 provides all the important data in one place with a perfect blend of tools for making your trading decisions. A trading platform designed specifically to simplify derivatives trading. Analyze open interest data using multiple tools such as multi-strike OI and combined OI. Place advanced orders like predefined strategies, bulk orders, order slicing, one-click rollover, and quick reverse. If you are a person who loves to smartly customize, then we have got developer APIs. Our developer API helps you automate your trading strategy with our set of order placement, market data, and portfolio APIs. API trading removes human emotions and brings discipline to trading. Our APIs are available in 4 languages. And all this API usage comes at zero cost, as you don't need to worry about any additional API usage or subscription charges. Whether you're looking for a mobile app, web trading platform, FNO trading tool, or developer APIs, 5paisa has it all. Start trading with 5paisa, leverage our cutting-edge technology, and enjoy a holistic digital trading experience today.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.